Pickle kit, and I think it's like blue raspberry or something like that, and I ain't never had it before. But yeah, let's get it to her. Let's get it to her. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. I already know what it is. So I'm gonna be trying different stuff. Like, I really wanted to try the no-bake cheesecake, but I can't find it nowhere. So I got this one instead. So we might be doing this video tomorrow. I don't know. But I finally got this Chamoy Pickle. I got it in blue raspberry because I wanted to try this version. I think it's blue raspberry. I don't know if I'm saying it right. But I know it's gonna be a mess, but at the same time I'm excited to try it because yeah, why I won't open. See, we ain't got time for this. We ain't got time for things like this. I got it. We ain't got time for it. I'm excited though. So this is everything that it comes with. Let's empty out the bag. So this is everything that it comes with. It comes with a little pickle. It comes with a blue raspberry pickle, which is tea. So yes, I was right. It comes with the little shrinkies, the Kage. It comes with this blue, I don't know what that is, the little sour, I guess, candies, and the little fruit roll-up. And it comes with this little dust powder. So I'm excited. Let's get it to the grill. Period. Alright, so literally, we gotta dump off the juice. Dump off the juice. Yes, let's be quiet. I'm trying to get to the video. What the fuck? I might need some scissors. Oh, there you go. Okay, so boom. Literally, dumping off the juice. Ooh, that smells potent. Oh my gosh, that smells so potent. Okay, so boom, here's the pickle. Oh my god, this is too much. Okay, so boom. So boom, literally, I think you're supposed to just cut the top off the pickle like this. Literally, so we're gonna empty out the guts. Empty out the guts. Dig out the guts. Dig out the inside, I guess, of the pickle. Be careful. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm excited because I feel like I'm late to the party. Like, what? I feel like I'm extra late to the party. Like, real late to the party. Trying to make sure I get a lot of it out of there so I can stuff some shit in there. Okay, so boom. I feel like I got a lot out of the middle. So now, this is a mess. Okay, you want to dump that? You want this? Taste it. So now, let me wash my hands. Shit. I wish I had some gloves. It's staying in my hands. You didn't like it? Okay, so boom. We got the Takis. Why the shit won't open? Oh my gosh. Like, what the fuck? Thank you. That's what it is. So boom. Got the Takis. Boom. We're going to shove them on the inside. Shove. Shove them on the inside. Just like that. Okay, wait. I forgot. Hold on, wait. You got to roll it on the fruit roll up first. Fruit roll up. Y'all, I'm skipping stuff. Okay, so boom. Fruit roll up. Literally going to wrap it around the pickle. Just like this. Boom. Ooh, I'm excited. Wrap it around the pickle. Wrap. Oh, it's getting everywhere. All right. So boom. Now we're gonna stuff the Takis on the inside. Just like that, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Now, what is this? Open this really. Why is everything so hard to open? Okay, open it. What they got? The gummies. They got the swirlies. Ooh, open this. Y'all, we trying to open everything so I can just go ahead and put it on top. Okay. Tear it on the top. Tear it. Yeah. Tear with your teeth. Bust it open, hurry up. Okay, so boom. This is how the pickle is looking. Let me see. So boom, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some gushers on top. Gushers. Some gushers on top. Literally just crush them on top. Gushers. Some gushers. And we're gonna get the little swirlies. Open this. Be careful. The swirlies got... Thank you. So the swirlies got some type of sauce. We're gonna put the sauce on the swirlies. The chamoy sauce. Alright, so boom. We put some... Ooh, get that. Alright, so boom, we put some swirlies on the top. Now what we have to do, we have to put the little dust, ooh, the pop rocks on top. And then now we're going to do the little blue sauce. Boom, here's the blue sauce. We're going to drizzle some of the blue sauce on top. Ooh, wow. Oh my gosh. So this is the pickle, y'all. This is the pickle. Period. Alright, so we're gonna do a taste test. Alright, y'all, get into it. I'm so scared to try this pickle, y'all. It's looking so sweet and sour. Oh my god. Okay, we just gonna take a couple bites. Oh my god. Mmm. Wait. Y'all, this is actually good. It's just a lot going on. It was a lot going on. Like, oh my gosh, like no shade. What I got on my nose? Ten out of 10, would recommend. Period. We had it. Wait, let me put all this stuff on the same thing. Alright, y'all, that is it. Y'all see, it was a lot. That was a lot. It looked like it wasn't that much to do, but it actually was a lot. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is a lot of stuff. This is messy. I wish I had gloves. And next, we have to do this Korean snack box that I got. It's too much. It's too much. So we're gonna do the no bake cheesecake, then we're gonna do the Korean snack box, and then I find something else to do. Simple. I love doing stuff like this because, you know, I just, you know, like trying new shit, and it's like therapeutic. But that was just too much for me. You see my lips is blue, hair blue, lips blue. Like, what the hell going on? But yeah, y'all, make sure y'all like this video and subscribe to my channel. That was a little cute little fun thing I get to do with my son and stuff like that right there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.